download the eBridge Print and Capture app from Google Play. Your mobile device will need to be connected via Wi-Fi to the same network as your Toshiba eStudio system. Perform the following steps to scan documents to cloud storage with eBridge Print and Capture. After installation is complete, launch the application on your Android device by tapping the eBridge Print and Capture icon. Place your document on the platen glass or in the document feeder of the Toshiba eStudio system and then tap Capture. On first use of the app for scanning, the system will attempt to locate your Toshiba eStudio system on the Wi-Fi network. If no devices are discovered, tap No Devices Selected. Click to discover. You can enter the IP address manually. To manually input the IP address for your system, tap the Wi-Fi tab near the top of the screen. Tap Manual on the bottom of the app. Enter the IP address or full host name of your system and then tap the checkmark button. Tap Scan. Make any desired scan setting changes and then tap the scanner icon. You can change the orientation of your scanned file by clicking the Rotate tool at the bottom center portion of the app. Using the Share tool near the top right side of the screen, you can share the file via email, text, OneNote, Evernote, or many other options depending on the apps that you have downloaded to your device. You can also tap the folder icon at the bottom right side of the app to scan the file to your device's local storage. Tap the Drive option from the drop-down Share tool menu. If you have multiple Google Drive accounts, you will be given a choice to select which account to upload the scanned file to. Select an account and tap Save. After the upload process is complete, the app will return to the main eBridge Print and Capture menu. Go to your Google Drive account.